Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the bobble stitch. It's bumpy, bold and perfect for adding playful texture to your crochet projects. I'm using a size 4mm hook and a lightweight yarn. Let's start it. For this pattern I am chaining 20. For the first row I recommend to make a single crochet across just to give us a nice base row. Then make a chain 1 and make one single crochet into the very first stitch. In the next stitch we are going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up the loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Don't finish the double crochet yet. Make this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will end up with 6 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over last one time and pull through all 6 loops. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch to secure it. The stitch will puff out the bobble on the back. Bobble in one stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat across the row. So in next stitch we are going to make a bobble again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now pull through all the loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat till the end of the row. On the next row, just single crochet all the way across. This flattens the fabric behind the bobbles. Make a chain 1, turn your work and make a single crochet across the row. That's the bobble stitch. It's perfect for cozy blankets, pillows and playful texture. Have you enjoyed the video? If yes, like, subscribe and stay with me for more stitch tutorials. In the next video I will show you how to crochet a popcorn stitch. See you there.